Hi, my name is Ava Stowe and I am 15 years old.
My name's Haley Stowe and I'm 16 years old.
Hi, my name is Julie Stowe and I am the controller at OctoClean Landscaping.
My name is Yvonne Stowe and I'm a mother of 3 boys, Matt, Greg, and Shane.
Hello, my name is Peggy Rose Stewart. I am the proud mother of Yvonne Stowe.
My mother is a beautiful woman and she inspires me every day because of how hard of a worker she is. She is constantly putting 100% effort into everything that she is doing, and she loves me unconditionally and she is supportive, and I strive to be that way as well.
She's very strong and resilient. She was always probably the kindest person in our house, and she was always the first one to stand up for us growing up.
So I grew up, my mom was a single mom at the time. My parents didn't live together, but they both supported me. But she worked full-time. She was a teacher, and she had my brother and I, and she was very strong. And she worked herself to the bone so she could give us every advantage that she didn't have. And she still to this day wants me to call her all the time and check in on her. And I know she's my biggest fan, and I adore her.
Well, she's beautiful. She worked extremely hard. As an adult, as a child, I did not know that. I just figured it was what moms do. Mom was a single parent in the 60s, which was very difficult. And I was one of the weird kids in class that didn't have a mom and a dad at home. But I didn't feel weird because I always knew when I came home I had food on the table, a roof over my head, and a loving mom when I got there. So she's always given me that drive to keep being the best that I can be, even at my age now. When I need to kind of blubber at her or complain about something, she's there. So she's been my rock all my life.
My mother never knew luxury or great adventures in her life. Oh, I'm crying out. My mother was the most hardworking woman I ever knew. Very generous of heart. She had very little money, but she always donated to our church. Every morning after breakfast, as she'd slice the bread, there were crumbs on the board, on the cutting board. She would go outside the front door and she'd throw crumbs in the street for the birds to come down. I'm immensely grateful.